Hey guys, and we're back with another video again today. And today I wanted to show my dige birds. These are the only ones that I have. These ones are different from the normal ones because these ones got bigger eyes. It's like a different series of dige birds. And I got these from Crazy Robot Lady last year for Christmas. This one's got a mohawk on it. And then we got the green one, and then we got the cardinal. I haven't given them names. They really need some names. I don't know why I never gave them names, but I never did. Actually, some of them got dust on them because they've been sitting for a little bit. So today I'm going to show you all the songs that they do and stuff. They do a lot of songs, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if my video gets interrupted, it might be because somebody is calling me. I've been trying to talk to somebody that I know, like one of my close friends of mine, and they've just been losing signal where they're at, so they might try calling me during this, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video so I can turn them on for you guys. Okay, I think they're linked up. Maybe. I don't know why he's got buzz sticking to him. They're in choir mode right now. There's also like a regular bird chirping mode. Maybe I could show that to you near the end of the video. It takes them a while to... Fortunately, this series is very rare for some reason. Like, I can't find any different ones on eBay besides this really like blue one and another one that comes with it. But other than that, I don't think they've made very much of this series. Yep, some of them must have got out of sync or something. Also, the batteries might be running low. That might be another reason. Because I've had these guys for a while, and I played with them a lot when I first got them. Yeah, I think the battery is dying in this one or something, because it seems like they keep disconnecting. Sometimes they do lose sync with each other. Yeah, this one's battery seems to keep dying, and it keeps rebooting itself. But we'll keep filming for as long as they go on for. Jesus, wind scared me. Sorry about that, guys. The wind scared the bejeebus out of me and made me freaking jump. Might be getting storms tonight, so I'm going to have to make sure all my devices are charged up, just in case it knocks my power out or something, because you never know. Oh, that one made a weird noise. All their batteries might be dying. So I've never heard it make that noise before. That was weird. Hey, at least I caught something rare. Yeah, it keeps rebooting itself. So they might not ever shut off, because usually after a while they go to sleep or whatever together. But since he keeps rebooting, I don't think that's going to be happening. There's that weird beeping again. All their batteries got to be getting low. Although the Mohawk one don't seem to be having any issues. Or isn't acting funny. That's so weird. It's got to be they're running low on batteries, though. I think they just take one AAA, so I should have some. Sounds like a beeping telephone. These guys do a lot of songs, though. That's what I like about them. I think they're pretty neat. Did it beep again? Nope, no weird beeping this time. But the leader is rebooting himself, so he's got to be getting low on battery. Oh, there we go. I don't know if they did the whole song. They might have got themselves cut off. So I'll probably have to change their batteries after this. Or at least change them in these two. I think the yellow one's fine. Oh, weird. I think the yellow one was making that weird noise. It was catching some weird glitches, I tell you what. Some weird low battery glitches from these guys. Oh, the other two just stopped. I think the batteries might have just died in the other two because they're not coming back on. Alright, well, I guess we're going to end the video there then, since I need to obviously change the batteries in these guys. So I'm going to do that, and I'll do another video on them where they're like in chirp mode or whatever. Let him sing one more song and then we'll end it. Okay, he sung his last little song, so we'll go ahead and turn them all off, and I'm going to take their batteries out and put new ones in. Or at least like as fresh as I got, because I don't really have fresh new brand new batteries, so hopefully the ones I put in them will work. Anyway, for now I'm going to end this video. Well, he's still going strong. Anyway, now I'm going to end the video.